Hello everyone! So today's video is beach day with my sister. So right now we're going to Napo Beach Resort. So let's go! We're here sa DBP with Rosalie, guys. Go! There, pag withdraw si Inday. Init kayang panahon, guys. Kayo magpagasolina. Hi, Bash! Kamusta tayo?
Pagas mi Bash, kay basta pag-abot dito, magpapro na lang mi.
Ayaw na, Bash.
Among fast nga, among ge-earn, wala ba? It's already 1:28 and we're here. Init kaayo, it's a perfect weather and it's a perfect kuha sa mga pictures because nightlight. So this is our table. May table kami duha, guys. Yeah, and then we also set up a little picnic siya style.
Balag na na yung table.
Kadungas ba?
Bayad ng cottage, which is
200 pesos.
And then nasa 10 pesos nga entrance.
Yeah.
Pero naghanig hapon sa office.
So this is our little setup. And that's our view. Ano yung mga cottage?
Yeah, actually, dapat taman dito.
So yeah, mag-enjoy na mi, guys. Gutom na kayo mi. So, ngaon na mi. But mana siyang amang cottage. Then mana yung beach. Kadungas ba ko eh. Paulo ba yung star. So more na siya, guys. Among view. So yeah, mga sa mi, guys. Okay, grabe ka, gutom na tayo. Like, na biyahe. Yeah, let's see the day.
Tara. Mariginaan.
Margina mo ang handa for paniudto. And of course, ang bugnaw
Brought to you by
Coca-Cola. Let's eat! Hi everyone! So nabot me guys, nagsursuri mi kay ngita big nice spot for picture taken. We found this. Hi Sissy! Lar!
Huh?
Hi! So guys, manaog mi diri. Let's go! Let's go, let's go! Ay na. Hello guys, so manamig picture actually picture mong are dire sa muli na ta. Let you bring me down. Wala na mi. Kaya manamig picture. This kayong view sa taas. Wow. Tadaan!
So there you go guys, you're giving me nug picture, and then we're heading home right now. We are looking at the beautiful island of Pinyahon Island. So paulit na mi guys, kay Martha siya, di may magpagabi kay lisod na kaayo. Walay pagduha-duha kami ay uuwi na po. Dahil kaulan nun. So, moto siya na nami sa dapitan to get that beautiful view. We actually wanted to wait for the sunset, but wala na kay gipangyopak namin. So, there you go. Thank you so much for watching my vlog for today, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!